Pandas, 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 pandas. Welcome to the main stream. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you scalp that like button. We gotta remind everybody we are back to streaming every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, with the best community on YouTube verified. Good morning, everybody. Money for Nothing asks, good morning, all. How do I know if this is a pre-market show versus the normal live show? It seems difficult to find today's live stream versus other days. Well, if you go to the channel, you should have a members tab, and the members tab should always show you the members live stream. That's how you can find it. And the members only show does not turn into the normal stream. The members only show it's a separate stream just for the members. Swoops YT, good morning. Happy Camper, good morning. Mike Richardson, good morning. Blacklight Gypsy, good morning. Will Curtis, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Give me the algorithmic like and drop an algorithmic chat in the chat. Just write anything, doesn't even matter. But I'd love to know where you guys are from with a good morning. Trader's Chick in the house. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Hey, yesterday we had a bit of a spill, but it's all good. Stay focused today. Stick to the plan. How difficult was yesterday, though, to be honest? Daily chart. Creating this huge wick here. Very interesting. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Is a second entry short forming on the daily chart. And we'll see what happens. 5-minute chart. At a certain point in time becomes always in long. You could say pretty much maybe, I would say after this candle here, this bull candle, it turns always in long. You can tell by the small little wicks and tails they have because they bought the close here. And they bought the close here. So now they're buying the close. So I would say after this candle, traders were confident in that this was always in long trading. And after this bear candle became always always in short. Sell the close. Maybe even after this candle, because you can see the moment this candle ends, it reverses and people sell it. So pretty much after this candle, people came in selling it very hard. 10,000 tick chart is very interesting. We still have not yet filled this gap. There's a gap here that needs to be filled. You see how this day's close and the day after it's low, there's a space. Now we have a gap that we need to fill still. Just simply in a downtrend at the moment. Put on the tick chart. In this down channel, descending channel. LQ asking, are Wednesdays still Whiskey Wednesdays? Not for now. Honestly, the Whiskey Wednesdays have become a little dry, as in, I've been trying to do them, and people are not motivated anymore to make me drink. So I gotta think of something else. So, I am recovering from a cold right now, so I will be like muting it when I'm not talking. So if you don't hear me talk, if you see my mouth moving but you don't see me, you don't hear any noise, I might have forgot to unmute it. Just let me know. I'm only a panda. I make mistakes. Do I want the second inch short? Maybe one in the chat if you want the second inch short here. The main problem is it's too close to the open. By the way, no news today. Tomorrow is kind of got big news tomorrow, so Mr. Bobo says, hope you feel better, Big P. Hans Smith says, with whiskey, my cold will be much better. Jerry Shirt says, just giving my liver a break. I appreciate that. But it's good because it makes me, think of something new, something more fun, something you guys will enjoy more. And overall, the better quality of the stream, the better the experience is for you guys, then better it is for me. Black Thursdays? No, thank you. No, thank you. TUI, trading under the influence, don't do it. You get something much worse than a ticket. Good morning, Mo7. Welcome, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. Market's about to open in 6 minutes here. We're in a downtrend, but we're clearly above the 20 MA, so I can't take a short here. Second inch is short, triggering here. Bad signal bar. Risk is small. Risk is okay. Skipping it because of bad signal bar. Big wick here. 20 EMA chopping in and out of it. I'm staying away from this. Most have been asking, what's a tick equivalent for the 5 minute? It's really hard to tell because the volume changes throughout the day. Really hard to say, actually. So that means throughout the day, each candle takes a different amount of time to finish. It's just almost no equivalent to it, I feel like. Maybe a close one is the 10K. I don't know. Maybe like a 5K. I'm not sure. I may consider a failed trap here. Or not. Good thing my reflexes are too slow. I was gonna enter that for a failed trap. This is wild price action. This is why I don't enter trades right at market open. This gets crazy. It gets wild. Just reload the historical. Keep it fresh. Good morning, Zilla. Expander, good morning. Welcome, guys. Geo, welcome. Thanks for joining. All right, what's happening here? We got a little push down here. We are in a downtrend. As you can see with this descending channel here. Large. The higher time frames are underneath the 20 MA. 5-minute chart. Huge gap from the close to the open. There's something interesting here that we need to fill. We need to fill the gap here. This blue line is a gap that we need to fill that happened about 2 days ago, right here. This gap, if you guys didn't know, on this day, 2 days ago, the market opened or closed and then opened above it and never came back down to fill this gap. And we are about 20 points away from it. Just saying, those are magnets. Those gaps are magnets. And we may get to it. Spanish says, perfect weather in Florida. Is Florida nice living in? Is it nice to live in Florida? Lower high. Setting my pause for a setup here. Perfect. What's perfect for you guys? Like some people think 72 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. I personally think a little chilly is perfect. Maybe mid 60s. Little brisk breeze. I heard somewhere 72 is like the perfect body temp. Trace Trick says 40 keeps bugs away. Also freezes you to death. Bill 7, good morning, pandas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I gotta scalp that like button. Yes, sir. Everybody, make sure you guys scalp that like button for the algorithm. I haven't tried to hide it anymore. Just do it for the algo. I don't care if you guys even like it or not. Quite a big push up. I'm gonna put a pull up. We'll end this we'll end this debate at once. All at once, right here. What is this? I guess we're kind of just respecting this channel here, huh? Yeah, we are. This channel's perfect. It's a perfect weather. Some people like flip-flops, some people like sweaters. From where I'm from, we call it sweater. Sweater weather. That's weather. 'Does anyone know what the American metric or American measuring system is called? Right, Celsius, meters. What's that called? That's called the what the standard or something? Yes. How you guys know that? You guys just Googled it, didn't you? The metric system, the Trumperial metric system. Metric system versus the imperial system. Imperial? Doesn't that sound a little haughty? That makes sense. You will work a lot with measurements. Black Light Gypsy up 1989 is 6 accounts. Let's go, baby. Imperial just sounds mean. It sounds like Star Wars or something. Darth Vader's about to get you. Because you're killing it right now. Most of you guys think 70s. I should have said mid 70s, mid 60s. The bottom of the trading range indicator here. I mean, I think downtrend, serious downtrend, because we have bounced off of this trend line about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times already. Got a trap here. I don't know. It's a little too far away from 20 MA. I like the downtrend though. I like the downtrend premise right now. It looks bearish. Most things are pointing down to this bearish. It's a terrible signal bar. Uh, let's try. Let's see here. It's a terrible signal bar, but let's see what happens here. The downtrend looks established here, and this is just an entry to the downside. All right, there you go. Let's hope we do better today than yesterday. That's all I can ask for. We are in this trade. We're gonna look for a 1-to-1. Try trade with trend here. Looking okay for now. Okay, it's looking really good. Ending on its low. So you want to see? No follow through yet. We would like some follow through here. You see, it's getting like becoming a limit order market here. Just gonna hold on to it. Ah, darn, it's gonna get me. Hey, these markets have been so choppy these days. Just got right into chop here. Maybe the trading range indicator, I should just abide by it. Holding on to this one though. Let's see what happens here. Just holding on to it. I don't even mind if I lose it. There we go. Triggers. We're holding on to it for a 1-to-1. We're bouncing off the 20 EMA again. Oh, might create an H4 here. Maybe a second to short. Just holding it. Looking really good now. Looks really good. Looks good for a 1-to-1. I want that 1-to-1. Give me that 1-to-1. Ooh, give me that 1-to-1. Come on. Just holding it, not touching it. Looks okay. Any near its low? It's in reverse, huh? Jeez. Darn. Really want that 1-to-1. I don't know if I'm gonna get it now. Maybe a pullback here. You want at least that 1-to-1 here. I'm trying to come at break even. Come at break even. I skunked it. I want that 1-to-1, but after the strong bull bar, I'm not waiting to find out what happens. Coming out break even +1. I could have got my 2 points, but I wanted my 1-to-1 there, and now I'm skunking it. Good skunk at the end. Darn. Can't win a trade. It's very difficult. Don't know why. I had my profits, right? I had my points. I had my scalp, but I'm looking more for 1-to-1s here, especially with that trap trade. Second to short here. And look at the market, right? This becomes a limit order market. You just don't want to be part of that. You don't want to wait to find out what happens. You want to enter once you know what happens. And we're a little uncertain here. Darn, I could have got my 2 points, but like I said, I want my 1-to-1. Ended up skunking it. Good skunk. Once it reversed twice on me, I wasn't waiting to find out what happens. All right. So cool. What? I want this trap? Not really. I still feel like we're in a downtrend. That's why you're not really looking for a trap trade here, because you got to first break a trend, but you're also in trading range. It's confusing. Also, barely enough room to the top of this channel. Darn. I haven't seen a trade yet that I'm just like, wow, I just need to take that trade. It's been a while since I've seen a trade like that. Just like amazing setup. No matter what, just take it. You don't care if you lose it, you just take it. I haven't seen a trade like that in quite a while. Hopefully we'll find one today. How would that look like here? Um, yeah, I guess a break of this low here and a reversal setup. That might be one. This trap, definitely not entering that. It could easily go up because we're in trading range. But we're also looking for a new low, so it's confusing. Trap trade here. Fail, about to fail. Okay, this trap's about to fail here. It's just very tricky. When you start getting failed traps like that, it's very tricky. So lower high, looking for a new low still. I don't know. I think I'll take a fail second entry long. A, B, C, A, and then another reverse. I'll take that trade. I'll take it. Give that trade to me and I'll take it. I'll take that trade. Fail second entry long here. I'll take it. I'm not sure if the market's gonna be so kind to give me a setup so nice. Market's saying that setup is too nice for you. We're not gonna give you that setup. We're gonna just get you this pullback here. Basically, you gotta enter short right now. You gotta enter short right now. Market's not gonna wait for you. It's gonna go down without us now. Market says, no way, I'm gonna give you that trap. Or will it? Give me that trap. I have a feeling it won't. Jeez. I don't care what you do, just do something. All right. Maybe. Maybe. And us. Maybe. We might actually get our setup here. Go for that new low. Ooh. Whoa. Give it to me. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Please come to Papa. Bulls want to do whatever it takes to not let this trigger. This triggers. This is gonna for sure at least give me 2 points here. Whoa, it's getting very choppy here. Dealing with 2 contracts here. I like this trade a lot. Let's see if we can get a runner here. If it hits me, it hits me. It's one of those trades you say, oh well. I waited. I waited for my setup. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Check. Sorry about that. This is not looking pretty anymore. What is that? Okay, I'll take that. Oh, I'll take that. Don't reverse on me, please. Don't reverse on me. Don't reverse on me again. Jeez. Jeez, don't reverse on me again. Oh my goodness. Can I win one trade, pandas? Is that too much to ask? Oh my goodness, this is too much. What in the world? Can I win one trade? That's all I want. This market, why? Why do you have so many dojis? Why are we going so sideways? Why are we so choppy? Oh my goodness, pandas is so frustrating. Pandas. Pandas. Is it too much to ask to win one trade? That's all I want. I want to win one trade. It's like 5 trades in a row I lost. And I waited patiently for that setup too. For that trap to make that new low. Double bottoms created, new lows never created. Goodness gracious, this is just ridiculous. I just want to win one trade. Is that too much to ask for? Goodness gracious, pandas. This is just... I mean, at the end, maybe I should just stayed away from it. All the dojis in general. It just tells me market cycle is not mine, not the one I like to trade. Should have stayed away from it. Who knows? It's just so frustrating though. Trading range indicator ends up being solid here. Coming back to the top of the trading range. That failed trap is what propels this back up. Goodness gracious. I even went with 2. 2 contracts there. I even went with 2 contracts. So frustrating. At least it doesn't tick shot me, right, pandas? At least it doesn't tick shot me. I'm about to go on tilt. This is insane. Lower high here. Bouncing off our trend line again. Just one contract. I'm not super confident about this one. I mean, those are one of the trades you just like feel like you gotta take, and it's just so frustrating. Good thing the risk was so small. It's about 2 point risk, a little more than 2 points. Are we bullish now, Pandas? What's going on? So frustrating. In this trade. Am I here just to get chopped up today? Goodness gracious. People just buying here. This is the bottom of trading range. I'm just seeing the bounce off my trend line on this channel here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits. Let's see if we can get a nice bounce off of it here. This traps, Pandas. I'm going short again. I don't know what else to tell you. Either it takes me out or I go short again here. It's a strong bull bar. Goodness gracious, Pandas. I can't even make a trade off my trend line here. I can't. I'm gonna lose this. Oh, Pandas. Oh. Does that tick shot me? Don't tell me that tick shots me. Pandas, does that tick shot me? That tick shots me, huh? Pandas. 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 Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I just got... This does not tick shot me, does it? This better not tick shot me. I'd rather have this reverse upwards than keep going down at this point. This tick shots me, Pandas? I don't know. Pandas. Pandas! This tick shots me. Oh my goodness. No. Pandas, I can't. I don't know, Pandas. That's wild. Tick shots me. Shot right in the tick. And now it's going down the way I thought it was going to go. Pandas, this is not... This is... Someone's out to get me. Someone's out to get me. I might call that, and they freaking tick shots me. Oh my. Whew. I don't know, Pandas. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, Pandas. I mean, it's like... It tick shots me, and it goes away. I want it to go. What can you do? Really, what can you do? You get that lower high off our trend line. Ah. Oh. Pandas. That's wild. Wow, does it tick shot me perfectly. Protos with the fail second entry long. That's good. That's a good trade then. Goodness gracious, Pandas. I just can't. I can't do it. What was it, like 6 trades in a row I lost? Yikes. So frustrating. Yeah, move on, move on, move on. It's like I just short here. It's an ugly looking signal bar. Try to time this. Try to time this. All right. I can't take it. Not with that signal bar. I simply cannot take it with that signal bar. Bouncing off our trend line again. But we're above the 20 MA now. Ah, we're above the 20 MA. Good skip, I think. Micro double top. Ooh. Good skip. I would have stopped that right there. We were above the 20 MA, so I can't take it. Trap about to fail, maybe. This is so confusing, pandas. I don't know what's happening. Can't believe I get tick shotted like that. Oh my. All right. You know, this is like you're playing the NFL. Right. You're a quarterback. You just threw an interception. You gotta shake it off. You gotta have that. You gotta just have that amnesia when it comes to your mistakes. You gotta just move on. At least the emotions of it. You gotta remember the mistakes you make. You learn from them, but you got the amnesia in terms of the fear you have because of it. Trap trade here, about to fail. Coming off our trend line. The very fact we can't come to the bottom of this channel, it makes me feel like this is going to actually reverse to the upside sometime soon. It's hard for me to say though. Still think I'm shell shocked from that tick shot. Whew. Look at this. Perfectly takes me out. And boom! And that was with 2 contracts. Or was that 2? That was 1 contract. At least that was only 1 contract. Okay, breaking to the upside now. Trap trade was good to the long side here. Very good, actually. An explosive move to the upside right now. I guess I could have taken that trap trade. Just wasn't sure. We're right at that trend line. What a strong move up. What a massive move up. It makes me want to go long. Yusuf took the fail second entry short. Congrats. It's a nice push up here. Hopefully the 20 EMA will give you some support so your runner doesn't get stopped out. You just need to like shake it off, man. I need to win one trade here to get back in the swing of things. Hmm. Second entry long with an overshoot. I don't know if I can even take this second entry long here. Definitely not with a signal bar that looks like this. That is not a signal bar you can go long on. Mike G sending me hearts. Appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Anyone can send me hearts, please. Please do so. It really helps. Really helps with my mental psyche. That psyche. That mental capital. Ah, what is this? Second entry long, terrible signal bar. At least the decision's easy to skip this if we do trigger the second entry long. At least that's a good thing for us right now. Do I want to take the trap though? This is for certain a revenge trade. Do not copy my trades. This is a 1000% revenge trade right here. With outside bar reversal, I don't even care. I do not even care right now, pandas. With the outside bar reversal, I do not even care. It's a revenge trade, for certain. Jeez Louise. It's a trap trade with outside bar reversal. Absolute revenge trading right now. Do not copy my trades. I'm so pissed off. I'm so angry. I don't even care. Mad. We're gonna go 1-1 on the main portion of this, and we're gonna run the rest. Goodness gracious, pandas. I quit. I'm done. I'm done. Pandas. Oh my goodness, pandas. I can't. I can't. What is this? What is this trap trade? What in the world? Why does it keep tick-shotting me? Pandas. Whew. Oh my goodness, pandas. I can't. I can't. I can't. It just keeps getting me. It keeps getting me. It just takes me out and then goes the way I want it to go. Oh, for the content, I guess. Goodness gracious. What is this market right now? What is this? Like such a strong push down, and then just goes straight into consolidation. Takes everyone out. I can't. I can't. This is wild. Absolute chop right now. Second entry short though. Um, lesson here. Lesson for everyone. Do not revenge trade. Do not revenge trade. That's the lesson for today. Win 3 contracts too. How in the world does that happen? I should just stay away from this market right now. This is not it for me. Second entry short does trigger. It's a small signal bar, small risk as well. Kind of makes sense to go short here. I'm just so battered and bruised. I can't take a trade. But that's a terrible signal bar. That's your signal bar right now. Second entry short. That's wild. Pandas, I can't handle this. It's insane price action. Trap train. Ah, maybe I should wait it a little bit here. Trap to the upside. Maybe break a trend new low created here. This trap might be good to go long. Regardless, I'm a little scared to enter anything here. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look how wild it looks. Huge wick to the downside, huge wick to the upside. I mean, the 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars overlapping. Ah, what can you do about that, though? There's one good thing, Pandas. I'm keeping my stop losses where they should be. Yeah, at least when I'm losing how I should. That's a good sign, right? That has to mean something. I'm not moving my stop losses. When I lose when I should. How I should. So frustrating, pandas. I cannot tell you. I even called it too. I was like, this is a revenge trade for sure. It looked kind of promising, to be honest. What a push up. All right. Makes a new high. Oh. Break of this trend, retest this low here. Or retest this trend line. Get a nice bounce off of it. I don't know, pandas. Hey, good thing resets are at 50% off. Good thing resets are 50% off right now, at least. Just look at the brighter side of things. By the way, resets are 50% off. BBM 80 gives you 71% off. All right, keeps pushing up here. Strong bull trend right now. Let's see this follow through on the 5-minute chart. I'm again looking for a failed second entry long. No entries. Just watching. Not chasing anything here. Darn. It's gonna go without me, huh? I wanted that failed second entry long. We missed it by one tick right here. Could have failed. Could have triggered it and failed here. And we could be in this trade, but it never gave me the setup. It only gives me the setup when it doesn't work out, but when I actually need it, it doesn't give it to me. What can you do? I mean, look at the 5-minute chart. This is just really difficult to trade. What is this? What is this nonsense here? am I looking at? I don't know. I guess I'm looking for a second entry short here. I don't want to miss this move down. I do not want to miss this move down. I'll also enter the fails or the second entry short. 5-minute candle looking like this. You're thinking follow through. Keep it like this. I do not want to miss this move down. I'm gonna enter again on the second entry short. It's going sideways again, pandas. So frustrating. Super strong move down, goes sideways, does nothing, takes me out, chops me up, and then goes the way I want it to go. This is a 1-to-1. Big Mama coming up. Sorry, pandas, I'm just on focus mode. All right. I had to flatten it because something happened, but we're up 125 today. Goodness gracious, pandas. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 hits all in one spot, basically preventing Big Mama from uh, from completing, and finally gets filled after around 8 bounces, creating a ledge here. Woo! Pandas. I mean, we were down, what, 700, now we're up 125. I'll take it. I'll take it. For some reason, something weird happened, and my order got messed up here, so I could only scalp like about, yeah. It was up higher than this, but couldn't get out of the trade. Something weird happened to it. Where are we up right now? 125. One of my counts up to 717. Okay. All right, Panis. Up 125 today, and it is what it is. So, geez. I mean, it took a long time for that big mount to fill. It finally does, and I'm out. So it is what it is. But we like I said, I did not want to miss out on that trade, so I entered it, and ends up being a very good trade here. The big swing. And why did I enter it? Because look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, strong bear bar ending on its low, and I wanted to enter in. I wanted any opportunity to enter in, and with a huge bar like this, especially with the failed. Basically, this is a trap, right, for the always in long traders. You had people buying here, and now this created a trap for them, so they switched their position and started going short. 10,000 tick chart, basically exact same thing. Um, so we took advantage of the fact that we knew some Al Brooks price action there, and decided to trade on the smaller time frame. So tough work. Sorry, I was very focused the last 30 minutes as I was in that trade, but ends up working out for us, and we're in a green today. Not up by a lot, but remember we were down negative. We're down $700. Now we're up 125, and I'll take it. Take whatever I can get here, pandas. I was losing so many trades in a row. I mean, I lost about like 7 trades in a row. I just need to win something, and we're finally up positive. Almost made up all the money we lost so far, but we're trying to get back to a break even here. Goodness gracious, that was a just tough price action up to now, but geez. So thanks for sticking around, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the mainstream. Remember, there's news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. unemployment claims. So please make sure you're aware of that if you trade early in the pre-market time, and please be aware because that could easily bust your account if you're in a trade and you're just not aware of it. And also if your PA accounts, you don't want to be in trade anyway. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, it is what it is. We're up green, so I mean green is green. I'll take it. So pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.